In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo in Canva. We'll start right from the Canva homepage. First, log into your Canva account with your usual details. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Create button. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up window will appear with a search bar. In that search bar, type the word logo. Canva will now show you a range of logo options, including different styles and formats. Choose the type of logo that fits what you're creating and click it. Canva will open that selection inside the main editor. When the editor loads, you'll notice a panel on the left side that shows different templates. For this walkthrough, we'll use one of these ready-made logo templates. At the top of that left panel, there's a search field you can use to narrow down the style. For example, you could search for minimalist, modern, vintage, or anything that suits your brand. Scroll through the templates, take your time exploring, and when you find one you like, simply click it. It will automatically appear on your canvas in the center of the screen. Now you can start customizing the template so it matches your brand. Begin with the text and layout. Double-click on any text box to change it to your business or project name and any tagline you might need. Use the toolbar at the top of the screen to adjust the font, size, color, letter spacing, and alignment. This is where you can experiment with different font pairings and see what feels most professional and on brand. Don't be afraid to try a few variations before you decide. Next, you can add icons and shapes to reinforce your brand identity. Click on the Elements tab in the left-hand panel. From here, you can search for icons, illustrations, or geometric shapes related to your business. Once you add an element to your logo, you can change its color, resize it, or rotate it so it fits nicely with your text. Aim for a simple, balanced design that still feels unique. If you already have graphics or symbols on your computer, such as a custom icon, go to the Upload section in the left panel and click Upload Files. Select the file from your computer, wait for it to upload, then drag it onto your canvas and position it where you want. When you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to download your logo. At the top right of the screen, click the Share button, then choose Download from the drop-down menu. Set the file type to PNG for a crisp, high-quality logo. If you have a Canva Pro account, make sure to tick the transparent background option so you can place your logo on any background color or image without a white box around it. Finally, click the Download button and Canva will save the file to your device. And that's it. You've just created and exported a custom logo in Canva, ready to use across your brand,